Hey. Hey.
What?
Feed me lipos. Hey.
Sweet surrender on the cute side. You remember we used to run and hide. In the shadow of the cargoes, I'll take you one time. We're counting all the numbers down to the waterline. When neon misses on the dog-leaf stairway. French kisses in the darkened doorway. Foghorn blowing out a wild and cold. The policeman, he shines a light on my shoulder.
Historic event was the creation of the mammoth cheese in 1866. A giant wheel of cheese weighing 7,000 pounds.
Whoa.
Damn,
Again,
dude.
why not?
A 7,000-pound
What did
wheel
they
of cheese,
do
I guess.
with the cheese after
What
They
they
made
ate
a
it?
playground out of it.
They do with it? That's
Wait.
a whole nother rabbit hole, brother. I'm gonna have to dive into that.
Yeah, they made a playground out of it. What do you mean?
What a Canadian thing to be proud of, bro. Fucking big ass cheese wheel. No offense, Canada.
Contract with a bag full of cash. And these people red and dead. With a bag full of cash. And these people red and dead. With a bag full of cash. And these people red and dead.
No, he did left and then. Yeah, he only did two.
Skittles, you did not check these inverted arms, brother.
What?
Yeah,
Go back.
I'm getting sick of my ways. Sit in my room and just suffer for days. I don't remember the sun. The moon is the only one seeing my face. I know I'm going through things. Wondering where will I get out of space. Every day running away from my grave. Every day stuck in the maze. Where do I go? How will I end up? When will the devil surrender? I feel the weight on my shoulders. I'm back on the bench. Oh, AJ's been killing it. Oh, he's at the cheese place again. Ooh, this is HD cheese though. We had a whole like investigation about this park. Oh, look at that. We had like Googled like Canadian cheese park and we like found it. Oh,
You found it?
what?
That was sick.
That was so sick.
Can't escape my mind. It's like I'm doing time all the time. Exhausted, lost it. Just one little line. Have this talk with God all the time. Yeah.
Watching Bry.
Bry, same way. Bry's the same way.
Oh,
that was
that
sick.
was sick.
That
Hold
was
on,
sick.
hold on.
It's the danger zone. It's a shutdown ting, full force, no crowd control. Cause you know we love that system overload. And when the fields try kick us out, say Vamana. It's the danger zone. It's the danger zone. It's a shutdown ting, full force, no crowd control. You know we love that system overload. And when the fields try kick us out, say Vamana. It's the danger zone. No public order, trying to breach the border. Human traffic at the barrier is warfare. Barbed wire fences pitting us against this. Think plastic gas fogging up the lenses. Twisted individual, you on the run. Cause I'm trying to escape when the sirens come. Repping 808 like an area code. It's safe for us in the danger zone. It's the danger zone. It's the
So AJ came in on challenge 3 and got 3 podiums in a row. Barani into inverted orbit. It's gotta be worth points. And that we're out of time. That was solid.